We'll guide you through how to fix the Microsoft Store not downloading apps or games. First, make sure your computer has enough storage space available. To check this, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Storage. Open Storage Settings. Here you can see how much free space is available on your computer. If your storage is almost full, you can free up space by opening temporary files and deleting unnecessary files. You can also remove unused apps or large files you no longer need. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, close the Microsoft Store completely. Next, search for Microsoft Store again, right-click it, and select App Settings. Wait for the Settings page to open. Scroll down and click Terminate to fully stop the app. After that, click Repair and wait for Windows to repair the store. Once the repair finishes, click Reset as well. Now wait for the process to complete. After resetting, open the Microsoft Store again and check if downloads are now working properly. If the problem still continues, the next step is to reinstall the Microsoft Store. To do this, open the search bar and type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. If a Windows permission pop-up appears, click Yes. Now copy the first PowerShell command from the video description and paste it into PowerShell by right-clicking. Press Enter to run it. This will uninstall the Microsoft Store. After that, copy the second command from the description, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter again. This command will reinstall the Microsoft Store on your computer. Once the process is complete, search for Microsoft Store again and open it. Now try downloading an app or game and see if the issue has been fixed. Hopefully one of these methods solved your problem. If you find this tutorial useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.